Sweet potatoes and amaranth, the harvest continues. That's not a bad batch of carrots, and you can do this too. Now, we started those under cardboard just like we started the ones the other day. A lot of these we're going to have to let dry, so I'm just catching them in this big tote. The more leaves you can keep out of there, the better off you're going to be when it comes to getting the seeds out. Hi, welcome to my garden. You got here just in time. We're starting to bring in some amaranth. I think we're going to try to dig some more sweet potatoes, and there's some amaranth there I need to harvest also. So come on, let's harvest. So what do you think? You want to check some more sweet potatoes? Or are these all just vines? Well, the only way we're going to know is if we start digging. Well, that didn't take very long. Oh, I think we got a hill. Well, there's a... Okay, I think we're into a hill. Let me get that pitchfork, loosen this up a little bit, make it a little easier on us. There you go. And this got covered up pretty good with vines, and that's what I just took out of here. Oh, well, there you go. I think we got another hill here still. You never give up. Oh, we might have a hill. Maybe. Got a big old root. Oh yeah. There's one. That one looks clean. There you go. Okay, that's beautiful. Broke that one off. That's big. Hang on. This might be a pretty good hill. Oh, that. There you go. I thought I felt one back there. Oh, look at this. Okay. And here's an orange one. Let's see what we got down here. That's beautiful. Come on. It's gorgeous. Look at that, that's great. Another beautiful one. This is a pretty good hill. There you go, there's another one. There you go, there's my big one. I was waiting for a good one. Right here at the end, got another good one there. Little. Well, that's a sneak peek of what we're going to get. Maybe. Okay. Oh, shoot. It's gonna get dark on me. But when you're getting potatoes, those are beautiful. I think there's more in here. Ah, it's a little guy. Just a little one. That's pretty good for one little hill. Like, I don't know if I can balance that on there. Oh, I'm gonna drop him down in here and never find him again. Got another hill. Well, you're gonna have to come back tomorrow for the rest of this hill. It's getting dark on me. If you want to know a little bit more about the deep mulch, click that link and I'll meet you right back in the garden. You want to learn about the living soil, click that link and I'll meet you right back in the garden. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Yeah, and where the vines covered up the carrots, we got some pretty nice carrots coming up. You were with me when I planted these this spring. Let's get the rest of these. Look at that. That's not a bad batch of carrots. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.